Hi, I just want to preface this video by letting you know that Jebb Adams, I'm an amateur. This channel is for entertainment purposes, and I also try to educate myself and others by the videos I make here on this channel, so I respect all copyrights, and any books or titles or things that are referred to are done on an amateur educational basis, and they are respected. So I just want to be clear about that. However, now I have made over 370, 380 videos, so I have learned some stuff along the way. That's the basis of my continuing to make restoration videos for Singer vintage sewing machines. So now that I've got the legal stuff out of the way, the video is going to start. Enjoy. Sure is pretty, isn't it? So getting organized around here. Whoopsie daisy. The tripod. Here we are over at the working end, and I do need to get these machines out of the way, or at least organized a little better than what they're sitting there like now. But before I do that, I wanted to take a look at some paperwork that I got on these machines. Why am I having such a hard time focusing on Mint Magic? There we go. Oh, we're all spot on there maybe. So there was an inquiry about orienting the needle on the horizontal plane. And so we're going to say that vertically the needle is kind of correct or whatever, but we want to orient it to that. So there's a line there and a line there, and you want that needle to go exactly spot on where that line and that line meet, right? Right. I think that's right. But I do have information about that, but I don't think I've located it yet. So I'm going to find the information, because I do have a page from the manual that I would like you to see. And it's not actually a manual on this machine, on the this is 319K or a 306K or anything like that. It's going to be the paperwork for that machine back there, which is the 500J. Yeah. And just to let you know, the reason I'm making this video about that is because somebody had asked a question about it, like how to do it. And I actually don't know how to do it. I understand how it's done, but I'm going to get the piece of paper from the manual that gives you the instructions. And like I said, it's all about lining it up so that it's, it's spot on where the perpendiculars meet. So here are the instructions for lining up the needle depending on the size of the needle. Now I'm just going to zone in there a little more there, and where's a pencil or something I can aim with? Okay, so there's the target. That's where the needle has to go, through the hole in the plate, the throat plate. And what they've got is the needle's size is 9 to 18, with that being 9, and then it shows you how that relates to the other sizes. The needles I'm using right now is a size 14, a 15 by 1 size 14 needle. I think that's sufficient for jeans. Somebody in the garment district that works at the store had suggested maybe a 16 might work as well, if I was looking for an alternate for sewing jeans. So, but I've never actually done this, and because I haven't done that, I don't really understand it implicitly. But the diagrams are good, and I'm pretty sure that I got this for free either at singeronline.com or cdmanualsonline.com. I have paid occasionally. Singer Online, you're probably going to have to pay like $19, $20 American to get a adjuster's manual or even just a basic service manual. So buyer beware. But there had been an inquiry about that. So like I say, I don't have any hands-on experience with it. That is something I would like to learn how to do. But if you can get a hold of one of these adjuster's manuals or these technician's manuals, and they aren't that hard to find, like I say, singeronline.com and cdmanuals.com, but they're out there. You can get them. It's not all that difficult. So that will be the basis for a video probably in the next, I won't say a few weeks, but probably the next few months. now that I have gotten an inquiry about it, a comment about it. Somebody asked on a movie about the 306. Now I'll put that on my list, like make a movie about the 306. Eventually there'll be a lot of movies about 306s and 201s. Because that's where most of the inquiries I get, that's where most of them go. And if you look at my top 10 movies, most of them are 201s and 306s and stuff. Anyway, so that's this short movie about that, and hope that helps you. And have a great time. Thanks for coming here. I'm going to continue on with another movie, another video, but I'm going to end this one here and get to work on the other one. And in the other one, I'm going to show you how I arranged my workshop and my office, and I've got the other machines, the 401 set up to sew, so I might do a bit of that as well, because I haven't done any sewing for, oh gee, it's been weeks. So anyway, thanks for being here. If you're so inclined, hit the notification icon, and then every time I do post a video, right now it's summertime and I'm not posting them all too close together, about every 6 or 7 days or so, and you'll know whenever I post something. And if you can, subscribe, I'd appreciate it, because it does help, they tell me. So I'll take them at their word. Hey, listen, have fun, stay safe. Hope this helps you, and we'll chat soon. Adios, amigos.